think, baby bird?
Hey.
Is that the
Hey.
spacious
Isn't that nice though? That is
and
so
roomy
nice.
wicker basket that your grandmother donated to the cause? Huh? Is that the spacious and roomy wicker basket?
He fits good in there.
Yeah, he does fit very good in there. He says,
Where's-
Mom, I fit really
Where's
good
the dog
in
who
there.
loves me more than any other dog?
Ah, all of our pets really love us.
Oh, do you see him? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I didn't know if you saw him.
Yeah, all of our pets really love us. Until they don't. Until they don't.
But see this lady.
Oh my goodness, Mom. This is...
Hey, oh, look at him.
Yeah, is that your grandmother who donated this spacious
Anytime.
luxury wicker
I have that
basket?
great big wicker one too.
Oh boy, it could be even
Monster.
bigger, and then we'll have to put it on the floor, right?
Oh,
Yeah.